Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Akila Gaida Karima from class 6D. You guys can call me Akila. The reason I made this video is as a midterm exam assignment from the Mathematics in English course taught by the lecturer Dr. Eka Satya Aldila Apriansyah, SSI MSc. In this video, I will explain about sequence and series. So, the contents what we will discuss is first, about sequence and series definition. Second, types of sequence and series. Third, sequence and series formulas. And the last, difference between sequence and series. The first content, sequence and series definition. Sequence and series is one of the basic concepts in arithmetic. A sequence is also known as progression, and a series is developed by sequence. Sequence are the grouped arrangement of numbers orderly and according to some specific rules, whereas a series is the sum of the elements in the sequence. The sequence is the group or sequential arrangement of numbers in a particular order or the set of rules. Series is formed by adding the term of a sequence. In a sequence, an individual term can be present in many places. Sequence can be of two types, infinite sequence and finite sequence, and series will be then defined by adding the term of the sequence. Some of infinite term in a series is possible in some cases as well. So let us understand this with an example. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is a sequence where there is a common difference of 2 between any two terms, and the sequence goes on increasing up to infinity unless the upper limit is given. This type of sequence are known as arithmetic sequence. Now, if we add the numbers in the sequence like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, this will make a series of this sequence. The second content is type of sequence and series. The first types, arithmetic sequence and series. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence where the successive terms are either the addition or subtraction of the common term known as common difference. For example, 1, 4, 7, 10 is an arithmetic sequence. A series formed by adding an arithmetic sequence is known as the arithmetic series. For example, 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 is an arithmetic series. The second type, geometric sequence and series. A geometric sequence is a sequence where the successive terms have a common ratio. For example, 1, 4, 16, 64 is an arithmetic sequence. A series formed by using geometric sequence is known as the geometric series. For the example, 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus 64 is a geometric series. The geometric progression can be of two types, finite geometric progression and infinite geometric series. Third types of sequence and series, harmonic sequence and series. A harmonic sequence is a sequence where the sequence is formed by taking the reciprocal of each term of an arithmetic sequence. For example, 1, 1 over 4, 1 over 7, 1 over 10 is a harmonic sequence. A series formed by using harmonic sequence is known as the harmonic series. For the example, 1 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 10 is a harmonic series. The last, Fibonacci numbers. Fibonacci numbers form an interesting sequence of numbers in which each element is obtained by adding the preceding element and the sequence. And the sequence starts with 0 and 1. Sequence is defined as F0 equals 0 and F1 equals 1. and F9 equals F9 minus 1 plus F9 minus 2. The third content sequence and series formula. For formula sequence in arithmetic progression, A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus N minus 1 in bracket D. For the geometric progression, AR squared, AR to the power of N minus 1 in bracket. And you guys can see the sequence and series formula in here. There's common difference or ratio, general term or nth term for the last term, and sum of the first n terms. Next is different between sequence and series. For sequence, set of elements that follow a pattern, and for series, sum of elements of the sequence. In sequence, order of element is important, and in series, order of element is not so important. In sequence, finite sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in series, finite series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. In sequence, infinite sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4 until infinite. And in series, infinite series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus until infinite. So the conclusion about what we discussed is sequence and series are fundamental concepts in mathematics that help in understanding pattern and numerical relationship. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers that follow a specific rule, while a series is the sum of the term in a sequence. There are various types of sequence and series, such as arithmetic, geometric, harmonic, and Fibonacci, each with unique characteristics and formulas. Understanding the difference between a sequence and a series is essential, as it shapes how we interpret and work with numerical data. So, this is all from me. I'm so sorry for all the mistakes. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.